My name is Esther and I'm a physical therapist, and we're gonna head out to some job sites and just observe body movements, body mechanics with folks working with various materials. So there's a lot of lifting, bending, squatting, up and down ladders, standing on ladders, reaching. And if you're doing that for 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, that becomes problematic for the lumbar spine. It's my belief that we could do this job and actually not hurt, not have pain, not be injured, and do it for decades and decades. So we want to help you be more successful on the job site. And we're also going to look at some exercises that you can do during the day. You can do it before or after work. And honestly, some of these things you can even do at work. If you're feeling some pain, you need to tune up your body a little bit throughout the day. We're going to give you some tools for that.